Hi students, welcome to ANR classes. Now we will discuss some important topics in organic chemistry, that is the reducing agent NaBH4. NaBH4 by alcohols. Solvent is very suitable solvent, alcohols. It is a selective reducing agent. It is a selective reducing agent. It is a selective reducing agent. So in presence of NaBH4, aldehydes are reduced to. So aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohols. Same like that lithium aluminum hydride. Same like lithium aluminum hydride, here add one hydrogen, here add one hydrogen. So hydrogen, this hydrogen came from reducing agent, so NaBH4. So this hydrogen came from solvent, this hydrogen. Solvent means alcohols or polar solvents. So that is the very important. For example, so ketones react with NaBD4 in presence of alcohols, ethyl alcohol. So here what is the major product? C double bond. So double bond convert to single bond, here OH and D is added. So this reaction is also called as nucleophilic addition reactions. In rate determining step, H minus or D minus involved in reactions. In rate determining step or slow step, which ion is involved? H minus or D minus involved in reactions. So ketones are converted to secondary alcohols. Aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. Ketones are converted to secondary alcohols. Aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. All aldehydes, for example, formaldehyde convert to methyl alcohol, simple alcohol. So benzaldehyde convert to benzyl alcohol. Benzyl aldehyde convert to benzyl alcohols. So all aldehydes, whatever it may be the aldehyde group is there, that aldehyde group is convert to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is convert to CH2OH. So any aldehyde group in presence of NaBH4 or in presence of lithium aluminum hydride that are convert to alcohols, primary alcohols. So ketones are convert to secondary alcohols. That is the very important. So ketones are converted to secondary alcohols. These are preparations of primary and secondary alcohols. So next very important. So acids react with lithium aluminum hydride to form easily convert to aldehydes. Aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. But in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, there is no reaction. So carboxylic acid in presence of NaBH4, there is no reaction. That is the very important. So next, acid halides are easily converted to aldehydes. Aldehydes are easily converted to primary alcohols in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, in presence of NaBH4. NaBH4. So next, so esters are not convert to no reaction in presence of NaBH4. In presence of lithium aluminum nitrate, esters are converted to aldehydes. Aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. So what are easily convert to alcohols? Aldehydes and ketones and acid halides are convert to alcohols in presence of NaBH4. NaBH4 is a selective reducing agent, very selective reducing agent. Okay, students. So anhydrides no reaction in presence of NaBH4. Next, cyanides not reduce and amides not reduce. Amides CONH2 and oximes. Aldoximes or ketoximes not reduce in presence of NaBH4. So nitro compounds are not reduced. But a very important note. So very important note. So increase the power of the NaBH4. So increase the power of the NaBH4 by adding of lithium salts, lithium halides. So lithium halide is a boost of NaBH4. So this is the promoter of NaBH4. So increase the activity of that catalyst. So that time that is convert to LiBH4. LiBH4 is some active when compared to NaBH4 or aluminum salts. That is NaAlH4. When compared to NaBH4, these two reagents are some more reactive. So that is very important. Okay, students. So now, in presence of these reagents are NaBH4 followed by the salts, adding of the salts. So aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. Ketones are converted to secondary alcohols. Acid halides are converted to aldehydes. Aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols, and extra one reaction is take place. Esters also reduce, first convert to aldehydes and then convert to primary alcohols. Extra reactivity is there when compared to this reagent. These reagents are more reactive. So these are catalytic promoters. So this reagent also not affect on double bond. So here lithium aluminum hydride affect very near to the aromatic ring, but NaBH4 not affect. So in presence of NaBH4, what is the reaction product? In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, what is the product? So here C6H5, there is no reduction of double bond. So aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols. Here the double bond is reduced. This is the major difference between these two. So NaBH4 used to reduction of alkyl halides, reduction of alkyl halides. So secondary alkyl halides easily reduced to alkanes. So tertiary alkyl halides also easily reduced to alkanes in presence of lithium, sorry, NaBH4, in presence of NaBH4. So NaBH4 is a very suitable reducing agent for reduction of secondary alkyl halides and tertiary alkyl halides. That is the very, very important, students. So lithium aluminum hydride is very suitable for primary alkyl halides and secondary alkyl halides. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, tertiary alkyl halides convert to alkenes. So this NaBH4 also very suitable reagent. This is used in one particular reaction. That reaction is hydration of alkenes in presence of mercury salts followed by hydrolysis. A reducing agent is suitable reducing agent is NaBH4. So NaBH4 gives hydrogen, water gives OH. It follows the Markovnikov rule, but there is no formation of any intermediates. So that is the very, very important, students. So here OH, here H. The H came from NaBH4, OH came from solvents. For example, H2O, Hg plus 2, NaD4, NaBD4. What is the product? Here D, here OH. D2O, Hg plus 2. So NaBH4. So your product is OH and H. OH or OD? OD. That is the very, very important. Here OD, here H. So H, here H came from reagents and OH came from solvent. Here solvent is D2O, that's why OD. So this is the use of NaBH4. NaBH4 is a selective reducing agents. Very less areas are there use of NaBH4. Aldehydes are converted to primary alcohols, ketones are converted to secondary alcohols, acid halides are converted to alcohols, primary alcohol. First convert to aldehydes, after that convert to primary alcohols. So in presence of lithium or aluminum salts, the esters also reduce to primary alcohols. First convert to aldehydes, next convert to primary alcohols. So lithium aluminum hydride used to reduction of primary secondary alkyl halides. Primary secondary alkyl halides are secondary and tertiary alkyl halides, students. Secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, primary alkyl halides not reduce. That is, power of the NaBH4 is less. In presence of NaBH4, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides easily convert to alkanes. Primary alkyl halides not reduce in presence of NaBH4. So this is also used in hydration of alkenes. This reaction is called as oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration. Okay, students. Based on lithium aluminated NaBH4, one important reaction is there. So in this conversion, what is the suitable reagent? In this conversion, what is the suitable reagents? So a double bond is not reduced. A benzene ring double bonds are not reduced in both cases. So here suitable reagents are lithium aluminated or NaBH4, not used H2 by Ni. I will explain next H2 by Ni. Okay, students. So here in benzene ring double bonds are not reduced, but here near to the benzene ring double bonds are reduced. That which reagent is very suitable reagent, students? Lithium aluminum hydride is here suitable reagent. In this case, NaBH4 is suitable reagent. Why? Because ketones are reduced, but esters are not reduced. Here ester group is there, the same like that. So in presence of NaBH4, ester is not reduced, cyanides are not reduced, nitro compounds are not reduced, amides are not reduced. Which compounds are easily reduced, students? Aldehydes, ketones, acid halides, secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides. That is also used in hydration of alkenes. That reaction is oxymercuration and demercuration. This is the use of NaBH4. So this is the very important, students. Thank you very much, students.